The year was 1947. After many years of struggle, India had finally become free. People danced in the streets. Flags waved proudly in the air. Everyone hoped for a bright future. But there was a problem. A very big problem. At that time, India was not completely united. More than 500 princely states were spread across the land. Each had its own ruler. Some wanted to join India. Others were unsure. A few wanted to remain separate. If these states stayed divided, the new nation could become weak and unstable. India needed someone who could bring everyone together. And that person was Vallabhbhai Patel. Vallabhbhai Patel was not born into a royal family. He was the son of a farmer. From a young age, he learned the value of hard work, honesty, and determination. He studied hard and became a successful lawyer. But when India needed leaders to fight for freedom, Patel stepped forward. People admired him because he was calm, practical, and fearless. When he made a promise, people trusted him. And now, India needed his leadership more than ever. After independence, Patel received one of the most difficult responsibilities in the country's history. He had to persuade hundreds of princely states to join India. Think about that for a moment. Hundreds of rulers. Hundreds of different opinions. Hundreds of important decisions. Many believed it was impossible. But Patel believed that a united India was essential for peace and progress. He knew that strength comes from unity. And he was determined to make it happen. Patel did not solve problems through anger. He used patience. He used wisdom. And most importantly, he used dialogue. He met rulers one by one. He listened to their concerns. He explained why joining India would benefit everyone. Some discussions were easy. Others were challenging. But Patel remained calm and focused. Slowly, one state after another agreed to join the nation. Each agreement brought India closer to unity. Month after month, Patel continued his mission. His determination never wavered. Because of his strong leadership, most princely states joined India peacefully. People began calling him the Iron Man of India. Not because he was harsh, but because his courage, commitment, and resolve were as strong as iron. Thanks to Patel's efforts, India became a stronger and more united country. A nation ready to build its future together. Today, India is home to many languages, traditions, and cultures. Yet millions of people live together as one nation. That unity did not happen by accident. It was built through the efforts of leaders like Sardar Patel. His story reminds us that differences do not have to divide us. When people of India work together with respect and understanding, great things become possible. Just as many pieces can form one beautiful puzzle, many people can form one strong nation. Sardar Patel showed the world that true leadership is not about power. It is about bringing people together. He united hundreds of states. But more importantly, he helped unite millions of hearts. Vallabhbhai Patel's message still inspires us today. No matter how different we are stronger when we stand together. Because unity is one of the greatest strengths any nation can have. Like, share, subscribe to Indian Epic for Kids for more such interesting stories.